Kori roti is my favorite Mangalorean dish and the first one I learned to make from Denver's grandma. And I'm sharing this family favorite recipe with you today. Start by marinating the chicken with a little turmeric and salt. Mix it well and set this aside. A lot of Mangalorean cuisine actually starts with freshly ground masala, and that's the beauty of this cuisine. We're going to lightly toast coriander seeds, methi seeds, pepper, zeera, garlic, and 2 different varieties of dried red chilies. Toast the spices on low heat till you can smell the nutty sweet flavors. Set the spices aside to cool, and in the same pan heat some ghee. Add sliced onions, freshly grated coconut, some tamarind, and a whole piece of dried turmeric. Roast these on a medium flame till everything is a nice light brown. Both these will be ground together to make the base of our curry. I'm using my Bajaj mixer grinder, India's #1 mixing appliance, to grind this masala to a fine paste. Add the roasted coconut onion mixture and the dry spices along with some water to the mixie jar. The amazing NutriPro feature in the Bajaj mixer grinder will ensure that all the nutrients are retained while grinding. If you need to, the mixer also comes with an easy to remove top so that you can add liquids while grinding. We're looking for a really smooth consistency, and I love how the Bajaj mixer grinder makes it so easy. Pour all the ground masala into a large pot. I absolutely love that beautiful color. Add some sliced onions and thin coconut milk. Mix it well and let this mixture come to a quick boil. Once the gravy starts boiling, add the marinated chicken and some salt. Give this a quick stir. Cover this with a lid and let this simmer for about 30 to 35 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked and is tender, I like to add a few curry leaves. Once the curry has finished cooking, turn off the flame and add thick coconut milk. Finish this with a dollop of ghee and our Kori Gassi is ready. Crush some crispy roti in a plate and serve the gravy all over it. Let the roti soak, become soft, and enjoy this piping hot. For freshly ground masala like this, I always turn to my trusty Bajaj mixer grinder. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Happy cooking!